Hello, good day, everyone. God bless you all. God bless you all. It's me, your friend, your sister, Mommy Juliet TV. God bless you all. I'm going to use this opportunity to thank my followers, my subscriber, those of you that have subscribed for me. God bless you all. Those of you that have not subscribed to, God bless you. Please, after finish my today topic, please try and subscribe. More you do for me, more God bless you too. More you help those, God will be helping you too. Is your subscribe with your hand. Okay? Do it and be blessed. God will be opening your door. Anything you put your hand, God will be opening it in Jesus' name. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Okay. Today's topic now say, get wetin dey bother me. Thing don dey bother me for a long time ago, but I just try to resist myself to check how e go be. You know, say sometimes wetin I want talk about is about relationship. Relationship is not force. Relationship na when you like me, I like you. Relationship say when you go make me dey happy, I will dey make you dey happy. Relationship na say if I dey with you, I feel good. Relationship na say if I finish talk to you, I go feel say, na person I talk to. Relationship no be force if the thing no dey go on, if the thing no dey work. It's not force. Meaning una not made to be together. No relationship when you go there, when una go dey quarrel every time. That relationship is not a good relationship. E no mean say you know dey hear a bad time every day say you can't hate am. You no hate am. Because Bible teaches us say don't hate people. If you hate person, go dey ask God something, God will never come to you. Don't have hateness inside your mind. E no mean say I leave you, say let everything, make peace reign. Make you dey go, my dey go, me say I hate you. I don't hate you. I don't want make peace reign because relationship is by choice, it's not by force. Relationship when you go finish, you know they happy again. Go seize your happiness. Relationship when I go talk to you finish, happiness not go day. Now man woman now they talk to now, not be one person they talk to. Relationship when you dey inside husband or you dey inside wife, you dey there, you know they happy. That one not be good relationship. Husband house, they build them for happiness. Marriage now for happiness. Now they understand me. Marriage na happiness. More na they happy. If you see girlfriend, mate two of una they happy. Quarrel every day mean say una no fit day together. You know me say hateness day. So that to afford more problem. You go stay your own, I go stay my own. If we see each other, we will greet each other. Because we not jam together. We know our own, my own with your way, no jam together. You know me say I hate you. If I dey pray for myself, I will pray for you. No be say person go say you no want again. Whoa, you start everywhere zaga, everywhere scatter. It no be so. It no be so. Husband say no they do again, don't tire. I don't know your way. You know me say you will go talk about like say na so. You will go they use children till they punish her. Friend come see tell you say you know they do again. My relationship with your own they hurt me. I no fit. You know me say you will go back, go they tell everybody say na so it be, na so it be. No, because God will they serve and they see everybody. May peace reign, may everybody there inside. Now relationship be. Now some relationship be. Some relationship, you know if you carry the rich 1 month, 2 months. Some relationship, it go they hurt you for body. Some relationship where you they follow, they do say they too know. If you follow the finish, talk finish, they'll carry for the gossip you, they laugh. Yeah, this English you speak now. It's still what you're saying. You go even tell people, say, you don't know book, but now my friend, they make me laugh. What type of relationship is that? You understand? So, make people know the thing, say, relationship now force. Relationship is not force, it's by choice. Now, so Facebook, CB, Facebook, now you like, now you go put there. Who they send any happy picture, you will block her. You reach there, you know they happy. I they like my they go Facebook. I go see what here they see there. It go make me happy. You'll see learn things there. You'll see so pastor they preach. You'll still listen to her. You'll see my friends where you know don't want to leave each other. You see they say they are doing okay. That be Facebook. No Facebook no be good. They say you post for my own. You don't post for your own. You make me this. You don't make me this. Maybe I don't get chance that day. The day where you put on. I don't get chance that day. The thing feel press on down. On other people they post. I don't go see you. I go see you new post now. See I screw go before I go see. So no verse. If person tell you say no, they do again. Not be say I hate you. You don't understand? That one not be hateness. That one I say my husband. I don't fit again. Me with you now fight with the fight for us. I don't fit do again. Thank you. Who not get happiness now? High blood pressure they get. Later you go they take that medicine where they feel they get high blood pressure. As me soon as see as I find. So I don't want get high blood pressure. I want last my fit take off my children. Anything when I see say they bite me, I will suffer push up. If I see say the thing, they give me happiness, fast, I don't remove her so that I will they sleep, I will get that happiness. You know me say I hate you. I also get stay you won't stay my own. If I see you for road, that you day. But for distance they play. Get one of your boyfriend when I get. Very nice girl. The woman laugh na nyama. Saka. If he call me, Mo go drink coffee, Mo go do this one. I will tell her first, I they please, I will displease myself. I will follow her. Sometimes you go, if you will do that coffee by, you not go see her. You go, wait. When you will call her, you go say, oh, he sleep, oh. Now so mama no way. Now so papa be. Now so this. You understand? The best thing, I can't notice. If I can't go, I say no problem. Not be myself, I deceive them. One day he call me. Now so me be my character like that. He said, now so you go beach today, we'll carry the children, to tomorrow, what you do? I say, hey, land there. I don't want to follow you go anywhere. He said, why? Now I say, you, now person where you go say A, later I go be B. You the shit. You go, if you shit now, you go change word. If you piss, you don't change. If you yoke off, you don't see change. That's I don't want that. I want somebody when you promise me, because my time is money. When you tell me, say, this time and this time, I go follow you. Because me leave what me want to do, or what I be want to do, I rush and do one. Because I might follow you. You understand? Then when you reach that, then I don't go see you. Not be first time, not be second time, not be third time. We don't decode. The woman laugh. Now I tell like Oibo. He understand me. He said I don't read down well. I don't know her. I said now so not be say with the verse. I don't want. If you are ready, you call my domot here. You say you did there. Not be say I will leave everything. Run. Promise my children, say we are going to the beach today. Later now, I know we'll see you, all of us will disappoint. No? You understand? Oh, that woman understand. I tell her my feeling because it make me feel bad. It they make me not to get my time. It they make me say, okay, I might displease myself. I can't please anybody and displease myself. You hold your life. You hold your life. I hold my life. For my topic, when I first see talk, I say, choose your friend. Don't allow your friend to choose you. When they don't choose you, don't want me that they use you anyhow. They'll tell you, say, talk to this one, not talk to this one. They'll tell you, say, go here, not go here. Why? My character has got to create it. Leave me like that. Make me do what I like. If I made mistake, I'll say sorry. If you cough, you go say, now so you call this one, you don't call this one. It's not good, which is very bad. This video when I they do today, now many people go see first. You can't please anybody. You can't please everybody. That is life. You can't please everybody. Some people will see and some people will see like her. Some people will see and they'll see verse. So that one left for them. For me, my mind is clean. I don't have time. To come they say na so, no be so. The time where you get, use them for your children, use them for your business. Get online business, I better. Get things what you they do for hand. So that you people, when they'll bring gossip, you'll say you don't have time. You deal with your people when they do business together. No time. For me not get time now. I don't know about the rest people. I don't get time. My time to the, talk to people about your business. Let people know about you. People ask you, what are you taking? Why are you using cream? I'm not using cream. It's because of the supplement that I'm taking that is making me shine. Show me this thing. You will see, show. Before you know, night don't come. You don't cook. You don't bath your children. You don't clean house. You don't do everything and sleep. You go sleep. Tomorrow you continue your business again. No time for bullshit. You know what I mean? I don't too serious today, but I laugh. But I laugh like me put that English. Do you know what I mean? Happiness is very important. It will make you young. If you they laugh every day, it will make you fine. People they say, in this age you know paresse, you know resemble. But if you excuse your face every day, every small thing, I be shame, you are cooking although you can develop high blood pressure. So try to be happy. Try to be happy. For me, I'm a happy woman. Anywhere I go, people will ask me to come back again. Go ask my family, ask friends. They will say, when are you coming back again? I love happiness. If that place door, if I go, I don't come again. If you see say I come again, you will know say I like the happiness wanna give me. Wanna give me example. If I carry come house, if I come house, I can't use that example wanna show. Give me. Can't see the work for my house. Get one of my friends when I know for Tenerife. If I go there, I'm already happy. In with their husband, they be in with your husband, they be like brothers and sisters. Now so you go they call your husband. The other one say Dede. You know the happiness I see there. They make joke, they laugh, they smile. It make me happy. If I reach us, I'll say use and practice. What I not be not they do. Doesn't show me small thing there. Matrimony is supposed to be happiness. You will see use and practice your own. Let me say you go verse. Who call you do this one, do this one? I beg go. Wanna put me for granted. I love everybody. Equal. You understand? I love na equal. Just we can't be together. That be the thing. Wait go they keep my happiness. I better run away. Do you people understand me? Thank you very much. This topic is about I would like put it to I wanted to put sweet topic so that people will not get afraid. Said I'm not going to watch it. I'm not going to do this. I will try and put nice topic so that people will come and watch it and pick little bit. You understand? Maybe I will put don't choose relationship that is not going to make you happy. Maybe I'll put that. Okay. Thank you very much. God bless you all. I love you all. My new subscriber, I love you all. God bless you. Stay blessed. I will be coming with another one. Please subscribe. Share my video. God bless you. The way you share it, that is the way God will be blessing you. Help others so that God will help you. Don't go and subscribe and remove it again. What did you gain? You did not get anything. Good is very good to be doing. Help each other. Help each other. Go and check the last video I do. I said, learn how to be happy each other. More you help, more your way is open. More you give, more God they give you back. You understand? Thank you very much. God bless you. Say bless. One love.